What is up, everyone? Welcome to Seth LeRoy Adventures. This is a little bit of a different one. We are in Remer, Minnesota, and we are fishing off, it's called Thunder Lake. We've been just going to random public accesses, but this was our favorite one. So, you know, because when you commit to bringing all the kids out, you got to find ones that, you know, look legit. This one looks pretty cool. It was a really long drive. Like, I'm talking like one of the longest drives I've ever done to a public access, honestly, like 2 miles and miles and miles and miles. So we'll see if we catch anything. It's a little windy down there, but not too bad. Yeah, we looked at this house that it was an old bait shop slash house slash, it looks like they were going to do what we were planning on doing. It looks like it used to be where there's two little shacks where you rent it for the renters. So it literally, we had that plan before even, you know, and it used to be a bait shop, and it's just crazy because if you watch my channel, that's like what I do, is fish. So I don't think we'd have it be a bait shop. We got other plans for it, and my wife would set it up as a salon as well. Not to get too into that stuff, but yeah. The family's already down there fishing, and me and Holden are the last ones getting down there, so see what happens. We'll probably stop at other places along the way. Thought I'd record this just in case it does end up being a vlog. Or it also might not end up being a vlog. And I forgot my chest thing for my phone. Damn it. 1 second. Alright, so I'll be back once we're by the water. Alright. Yeah, so Rowan's got the tackle box. There's probably a local. Yeah, so we're in Remer. This is Thunder Lake. We came to look at a house. We're looking to sell our house and get a new house. And the old house was literally an old bait shop and stuff.
The water's very clear.
Oh, it's very clear? Nice.
We would swim in here.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Oh, it is. Wow.
We would swim in. No. I have a black spinner bait.
I don't know. No.
Oh. You never caught anything with the spinner? No. Oh. I caught my first.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's bait.
Right. Could be.
Oh, bro, I swear, this frog popper, man. Stop giving me that look.
I'll switch it in a little bit.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, Luna. Watch out, Luna. She's sorry.
Dude, there's like a big fish.
Where, though?
It's like that light thing in the water, you see?
Oh, no, I don't think that's a huge fish. Oops. Clutch.
Is that your pocket knife?
Yes. Mama's knife saved the day that she got me.
Well,
Yep, this will work perfect to cut everything.
yes.
Yeah.
Maybe we should grab
Well,
some,
at first I was...
when we get home, we should grab some cardboard cutters and put like one in your tackle box that you use.
Maybe her buck knife I'll leave in my tackle box. In my tackle box, so I always have this at least.
Mm-hmm. Come here. Oh, they're so squeaky.
All right, you can let him down now. We'll block him if he get. Holden, no, wrong way. Oh my God, this kid. Holden, what are you doing? Good Lord. Holden.
Why are you even trying to go in there, dude?
I know. Jeez.
What? Do you think you're like a wild pup?
Psycho. I'll text you that. Wait 1 second. Wait. I just didn't like that spot.
Because you've never.
Oh, I like it more in the middle. There we go. Luna, is this pretty here? Luna. Whoa, go do that again.
Okay.
Go down there. That was cool. Here, let me record you. Go ahead. Wow, ups, Luna. Hey, what the heck was that about? Little dorky buck. I see little minnows here. Could be a little largemouth, actually. Stop it. What the heck? That was funny. Luna, look at this cool area. Look at in here. You want to go in there?
Yeah.
Come on.
I just need to pee in the woods or something.
You need to pee in the woods or something? That's my country girl. Yeah, look at how cool this is, Luna.
Dad, I just need to pee.
Is this cool?
Dad, I need to pee.
Oh, Luna, don't ruin your pole. Look at this little Holden.
I'm done with my fish comb. Dad, now we're walking around on my...
What you do to it? Thank you. I can. I have Holden, bud.
I want my fishing pole.
When we're not fishing, when me and Mama are taking breaks, one of us is usually agate picking. Here, one sec, Holden. Wait, whoa. I bet someone on my video will go, there's one. Oh, look. That was live action right there. Little agate. Boom. Minnesota life up north. Let me see ya. You gotta teach them while they're young. My little buddy agate picking with me. Come here. Holden. Holden. Huh? Yeah, oh, it's funny. Here, watch out. Here, watch out with your hook. Just keep it up and away from him. Okay. Hey, at least you tried. I want it. Here, keep your hook up. I like how you guys are getting older though. And you guys like wackies and shit now. It's like, Everly still will catch some panfish though, but you guys like going for the big ones now. There you go, Holden.
Oh my god.
Well, that's what you should be doing, bro.
Dang. That's a big rock.
Holden.
Holden.
Here, dude.
The baby.
Yeah, that's a cool rock. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Holden.
Yeah.
What? You big fishing boy?
This is a big rock you got there.
What? Let me see. Let me see the rocks. We looking for agates? Here you go.
Has one in there.
Yeah, it's just a big one all of a sudden.
Yeah. I'm done with my shoes.
Okay, set them there and get them before we leave. Oh. Holden. Nope. Stop it. Stop it.
Don't climb the big rock. Oh, have some fish.
What?
Have a freaking fish.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. Are you sure? What? Okay, cool. You want to go look at a snake? Here, Everly. Wait for me. I know, I'm coming. We got to get there pronto. There's a gardener snake in the porta potty, and where we live, there's not a lot of them, so that's epic for us. Here, Luna, give me your pole.
Again.
Be careful, though.
The snake.
Let's see this.
Hopefully it's still in there.
Hopefully.
Is it in there? Wow, it went through the cracks, I think.
Yeah, like probably under there. There was a gardener snake. Oh, yeah, well.
Oh, it smells good in here at
Yeah,
least.
it's not a bad porta potty.
Huh. Sneaky, slithering snake, right, Dawn?
Yeah.
Well, it's still cool you've seen them. What, you just open it and boom?
Yeah. It was a
Hmm.
baby, so.
Oh.
How big was it? Show me.
Yeah, if we moved up here, that's how it'd be. So yeah, that's it for this spot. Didn't get anything. I did see some nice sized perch, so I was hoping at least one of us would hook into a perch. But nope. And it's okay, we might stop at other places on the way home, I'm not sure. We sort of just do that whenever we go really far on vacation or like this. Going to look at a house far, we always check fishing spots. So yeah, we'll see what happens.